Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Acorn in Grand RP Mobile. First, navigate to the game's event menu and locate the Alchemic Laboratory. This special area is where you'll combine different elements to craft unique items. Acorns are a key item for ongoing events, so understanding this process is crucial for your progress and rewards. To begin, you'll need to create some fundamental elements. Start by combining water and air within the laboratory to form a cloud. Once you have a cloud, mix two cloud elements together to generate lightning. Next, use two lightning elements to create energy, which is essential for more advanced crafting recipes. Now, let's progress towards crafting the acorn itself. Take your newly created energy and combine it with water to produce a plant element. Once you have a plant, mix two plant elements together to grow a tree. The final step is to combine time with a tree, and you will successfully craft an acorn. Acorns are highly valuable in Grand RP Mobile. They are frequently required to complete specific event tasks, offering substantial rewards and boosting your progress. Additionally, you can sell your crafted acorns on the in-game market to earn a good amount of currency. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keep crafting and enjoy your rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.